Hi, my name is Szymon and I would like to show you a simple, powerful, modular approach to color correction that can be used by both beginners and more advanced colorists. From time to time I will refer DaVinci Resolve, its features and tools, but the strategy I'm showing you can be applied, with some minor tweaks, to any other color correction software. This tutorial is designed with log footage in mind, but general ideas behind the presented strategy can be also applied to Rec. 709 clips. Let's start building our grade. We will split our corrections into 4 sections. Going left to right, we have our order of transformations. Things on the left happen before things on the right. If you work in a software that uses layers instead of nodes, just change left to right for top to bottom or bottom to top. For now, we will skip the first and second sections and we will go straight to section number 3. Segment 3 is designed to keep your look. By look, I mean one of those things. A creative lookup table. B, color space transfer or any technical LUT combined with extra layers of corrections to make a picture more to your liking. Or C, preferred option, bunch of nodes adjusting contrast, temperature, tint and saturation combined together to give you the desired look that you would like to have on a particular scene or even on a whole movie. Segment 3 is your filter giving your movie a specific feel and mood. It's your creative impact, so it's meant not to be changed in a process after the look is established. Now let's take a step back and move to the segment 2. This section is designed to keep your per shot adjustments of exposure and contrast. For your first shot it might be left empty, but when you start to copy-paste your grade, it will act as a placeholder for a balance layer. Use this segment to match shots by shots, adjusting temperature, exposure, contrast, density and brightness. Making this kind of adjustments before your look gives you a cleaner grade with fewer artifacts and a more consistent effect. Segment 1 complements segment 2. It's a section for all your local exposure adjustments like power windows. If you need to lighten talent's face or darken the wall in the background, this is a place to do it. Segment 4 is all about hues. It is a good place to make some adjustment to skin tones, get rid of unfit colors, polish your color palette. Resolve here is optimized to work with a picture that has a proper contrast and a saturation, so we will do our selective work in section number 4. Even if your software of choice works in a different way, it is much easier to pick and change colors when they are displayed in a target color space. And this is it! Simple yet effective structure to achieve consistent effect in your videos. Use it as it is, or treat it like a base and customize it. Here are the steps I take when working with the structure. Find a reference shot in a scene. Apply or recreate nodes layer structure. Create your look in section 3. Enhance it in section 4. Paste grade onto few neighboring shots. Match your new shots to the reference frame by adjusting exposure in section 2. Selectively adjust exposure and contrast in section 1. Push play and check if it all works. I hope you like it and you will benefit from this tutorial. Take care and be safe.